Hey guys! Alright, let's talk about rounding and estimating to solve for a product. So this says estimate by rounding or using compatible numbers. Show how you estimated. Okay, so rounding is pretty obvious. Okay, so maybe rounding 4 down to 0 wouldn't really make sense. Rounding 4 to maybe 5 would kind of make sense because 5 is an easy number to work with. Okay, and then also rounding 24 to 25 would actually be a pretty good choice because then you can count by 25s like we do with money and quarters. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125 is 5 times 25. Okay, you could also maybe round this down to 20. Okay, 5 times 25 is more of a compatible number. Those two numbers work well together. We use quarters and 25 cents all the time. We're used to using those numbers. Rounding can go either way. We could do maybe 5 times 20 or 4 times 20. Okay, so 5 times 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20 times 4, 20, 40, 60, 80. See, our numbers are not very close though. So let's see. What is 4 times 24? 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, 96. Okay, so we want our answer to be as close to the real answer as possible. So I think our best choice right here would be 5 times 20 is 100. So I wouldn't count these ones wrong necessarily, but I think that you can find the one that fits the best. Okay, so we're going to go with 5 times 20 for this one. Okay, these ones I would just round, it would be easiest, and also just rounding to the nearest tens place or hundreds place with this one would also be easiest. Okay, so we're going to go to number 6 on the other side. Okay. Mathematical practice. Find the error. Rico is estimating 139 times 18. Find his mistake and correct it. Okay? 100 times 10 is 1,000. Is his math. 100 is not very close to 139. I would say maybe we should try like 140. And then we can use 18 as 20 instead of going down to 10. 20 is 2 away from 18. 10 is 8 away from 18. That's really going to throw our numbers off here. Oops. So we know that 14 times 2 is 28. And then add 2 zeros. So 2,800 is a lot closer to the real answer than 1,000 is. Okay, let's find the real answer. 139 times 18. Okay, 9 times 8. Use my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 72. 72. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 7. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Wait. 8 times 3 is 24. Yep. Okay, 31. 8 times 1 is 8, 9 times 11, add a 0, 9 times 1 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1, okay, 2 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 3 plus 2, and 2. So our real answer is 2,202. 2,800 is closer than 1,000 is to the real answer. It's still pretty far off, but I think using 140 times 20 would be a better estimate than 100 times 10 for these two numbers. So we could just say that Rico rounded both factors down from the original number and should have rounded up. Alright guys, oops. So I just want you to do your best on these compatible numbers or rounding when you are multiplying. As long as it makes sense, they're not going to be wrong. So when we correct, it might be a little funky, but just do your best, round to the closest areas, use numbers that work well together, and good luck.